Not so tight. What's your name?
Lucy.
Lucy what?
Lucy, my guy.
How old are you, Lucy Rose Guy?
2.
Are you gonna be my helper?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's tell everybody what we're doing. Okay? We're gonna be making a packing video. Can you be my helper?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna show you how I pack for our family vacations and what all I do. So stay tuned. Okay, so these are the bags we use when we travel. This one's Lucy's, and this one is mine. They're both from Land's End, and I love them. They're foldable. I love how much you can fit in them, but as you can see, they lay flat, and I actually fold them over like this in my closet, and they take up almost no room. So that's what they look like folded up, and in a second I'm going to show you what they look like full. Okay, so I just wanted to show you all the bags. So this is little Justin's, big Justin's, Mom's, my bag, and Lucy's. And this is the family toiletry bag. I already showed you it, but I'll show you again. It hooks, it hangs, it opens. It's got a pocket. This is for my makeup right here. I know a lot of you are probably freaking out right now thinking that that's so small, but I don't really need a lot. So if it doesn't fit in these 4 bags or 6 bags, it's not coming. And normally Lucy and I share a bag and the Justins share a bag. So normally, oops, if it doesn't fit in this, it's not coming. So next time we take a big family vacation, I will show you everything that we pack so you can get a better feel for it. Hey, here comes Lucy again. This is the family toiletries and bathroom stuff that we use. I just have it in this small bag right here, and I carry it like this, and it's got a little pocket in back there for wipes or makeup removers, and this is all we have in it. As you can see, we don't pack much. We don't bring much as far as that. We share, and this way I hang it on the back of a bathroom door or something. This way, if it doesn't fit in the bag, it does not come. Okay, so this part is going to be packing for kids. This is some of Lucy's stuff. Let me move this. And we are actually not really going anywhere right now, or at least the kids aren't. I am going to Colorado in a couple weeks, but they're not coming with me. So this is just me packing for demonstration. So I grabbed a couple things out of their closet. Lucy still is in pull-ups at nighttime only, so I grabbed that. So basically you're going to bring everything that they would wear during the day. I like to pack dresses for her because they're light and they roll up easily. And then you can, like a little t-shirt or something. And what I do is I put everything that they're going to wear that day. Let's just say that was a sweater and that matched. And you would put, it's kind of hard to do it with one hand, so bear with me, her underwear and her socks. And then you would roll everything up. I always roll it. Roll it up like this. And then you're going to put it in a bag. I use Ziploc bags, the gallon size, and I reuse them. I used to write on that little white space right here, Monday, or let's say you're going to Disney World, I would write Magic Kingdom Day, whatever it is you're doing. But I found that we went places so frequently, I was overusing them, and I don't want to waste money. So now I just reuse them. Or you can buy these packing cubes, which I use for other things. I'll show you in a second. So then everything fits nice in this Ziploc bag, including her little pull-up and her outfit. And you can see what's in it easily. That way it's dad-proof. No offense, dads. Or anybody who's unpacking the suitcase, they can easily pull a bag out and just say, this is what I want her to wear for the day, and grab it. And then what I do is kind of like push on it, get all the air out, close it up, and then I fold it over again. And then that's all it takes up for one day. And then you can stack them, you can line them up, and they fit so much in these tote bags. You can fit so many of them. So what I normally do is, I'll show you like how big they are. See, look, this is, I told you I reuse bags. I wasn't kidding. I save all of my bags because I am cheap and I don't want to rebuy them. So anyway, look how much room is in these Land's End totes. That's what I'm telling you. I love them. I get the size XL. They come in lots of different sizes, and you can monogram them. They have a little pocket right here if you forget something and you shove it in there last minute. That's usually where we put our chargers. And then, see, look how little room that takes up. So then what ends up happening is I will share suitcases. And I know that kind of drives some people crazy. They want their own bags. We have our own bags for everybody, but I find out we just don't need that much space. So the kids will share a suitcase, or sometimes me and Lucy share a suitcase, and Big Justin and Little Justin share too. So some of you may be thinking, okay, that works for kid stuff, but what about grown-up stuff? I'll just show you. This is my clothes. This is just a regular plain t-shirt from Target, and these are some of my jeans. And I'm not going to show you my underwear because, you know, obviously. So what you do is you fold them in half, you lay everything on top, and then I just tuck the jeans, and then you roll them. Same way. And then this way you have your outfits together, and if you're worried about wrinkles, I don't find that they wrinkle, but if you're super concerned about that, you know, maybe try a different way. And then I'll show you how I bag it. So I find that my stuff fits better long-wise, like lengthwise, long-wise, is that a word? Anyway, like this. I can't really do it with one hand, so. But anyway, let me pause it and I'll show you. I couldn't do it with one hand. Okay, so anyway, this is jeans and a t-shirt, and as you can see, there's still plenty of room if I wanted to put underwear or even a long sleeve shirt or even a jacket. I've done plenty times having pants and a jacket, and I can fit it in a Ziploc. So then it all goes in the Lands' End tote. Sorry. And when Lucy and I share a suitcase, this is how I always do it. My stuff on this side, Lucy's outfits on this side, and I just stack them, and see, look how much room you have. Look at that. So I'll have, like, sometimes I do mine like this, and I'll have 4 outfits here, and then the same thing with Lucy on the other side, and we just put the toiletries bag, where'd it go? Here in the middle, kind of like as a little divider. Can't talk. And that really helps. And as you can see, look how much room is in that. So my daughter and I can still share a suitcase because she's still kind of small, and I pack really light. Hey, okay, so a little bit about us packing light. I pack really light. Like, I try really hard to only bring what's needed, and that's just because over the years I have found that we have packed and overpacked so much stuff that doesn't get used, and it's just, we'll bring it back and I'm like, why did I even pack this? It was a waste of my time, wasting time putting it back away. So that's just what works for us. You saw what I put the toiletries in, that's it. I have a bag for makeup, I'll show you in a second, but it's extremely minimal. I don't wear a lot of makeup, as you can probably tell, and I also don't ever bring a hair straightener or a hair dryer on trips. I don't use them. As you can see, I don't really have the best of hair, but that's okay. My hair's long, but it's just kind of wavy. So what I do is just let my hair air dry, and I braid it at night, and that way it kind of has somewhat of a style, and that way it controls frizz, everything like that. And so I just don't want to bring a hair dryer, straightener, products, all that stuff. I'm not carrying all that with us. If it doesn't fit in that little bag, it's not coming. Now, one thing, I'm going to do a totally separate video about this, is when I pack for my husband's races, for triathlons. It's a totally different ball game. He needs so much stuff just to race, so that'll be something different we cover. But I do pack for him. I pack for everybody in the family. That, to me, just makes it easier. As I said on Instagram, Justin struggles with overpacking. And it's not so much that he wants to wear everything, it's just that he doesn't know what to pack, so he'll just kind of throw everything in a bag and be like, oh, I've packed, and then we get to somewhere and he'll have like 7 shirts and no belt or no proper shoes. So now I just pack for everybody. One thing that I don't do is pack the kids like toys or things to do. No, That is something they do on their own. They each have a small backpack. I think one of them's coming. Hold on. Which one? Oh, hey buddy, want to come say hi?
Yes.
Say hello. Who is it? I'm making a packing video about when we go on vacation. Do you want to say hello?
Hello.
Do you like going on trips? And I was just telling everybody how I pack everyone's clothes, but you know what I don't pack is your toys. I don't pack any toys for the kids. Wherever we're going is the activity. Let's say it's a national park or Disney World or relative's house. We don't bring toys and stuff with us. If we're driving, then they can bring stuff to do in the car. What do you like to do in the car on road trips? You don't know? He likes to color. Is that right? He likes to.
Yes.
He likes to.
Boo.
Okay. He likes to draw and color a lot. And we also have one tablet that the kids share, and usually Justin takes it. Lucy's not really interested in it yet. And he'll watch Netflix if we have Wi-Fi, or if it's just myself and the kids. Excuse you. And we don't have Wi-Fi or something, then he will color, or he'll bring a few action figures. But my thing is I don't pack that for them. They each have their own small backpack, and they pack themselves for that. They get that ready. If it doesn't fit, it doesn't come. I know I've said that many times already, but that's my rule. If it doesn't fit, if it's too heavy, if you can't carry your own bag, then what happens? Do you remember? What happens if you can't carry your own bag?
Then we have to bring it.
Tell them.
Then we have to bring it. Take some out.
That's right. And you only bring what you can carry, right, buddy?
Absolutely.
And when we go places, do you need a lot of toys or no?
Some, not a lot.
That's right. He's like a shark attack. So he's getting so big. So I think I've kind of covered everything. I've covered packing for kids, packing for myself, and packing for my husband, and the toiletries, makeup, toys.
Yeah.
What else, Justin? What else do we bring? Oh, snacks.
Yep.
Snacks. What's going on with your hair? So we do bring a small bag for snacks. We bring like granola bars.
Yep.
We try to keep it healthy. When we pack snacks, we bring like granola bars, yogurt, raisins, dried fruit, and I pack lunches for.
Bye-bye.
We don't do fast food on road trips. I pack our own lunches. I know he's sad about that, but I pack our own lunches and we eat at the rest areas, right? And then, what do you like about going to the rest areas? How you get to run around?
Yeah, have fun. Have
Yeah.
drinks.
And that way, I find it works out best. We go eat at a picnic area. Along the way, the kids run around. They get some energy off. We stretch. Everybody uses the bathroom. We eat, and then we keep going. So that's one thing we always do. I think that that's it. If I forgot something, let me know. I can add to it. Add the comments to the bottom of the YouTube page. I will answer any questions. If I forgot something, I can remake it. Super rookie over here. I mean, this is my first full video vlog. So obviously I'm super new to this. So let me know. Let me know how I'm doing. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out a lot. So if you want any other things covered, let me know. I'll make more videos soon. Next week's video is about this guy right here. Big birthday coming up. So next week you're going to see a video all about Justin. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel.
And then say bye from
Bye from
the
the
Family
Family
Travel
Travel
Diary.
Diary.